I regularly took exams such as TOPIK, but I always got stuck at level 5. Tommy's explanations of her own solving process in the videos were extremely clear. Tasks I needed to complete were always clearly laid out in front of me, so I was able to focus on simply getting through them and push myself all the way to the end.
안녕하세요, 터미입니다. This time I have invited Yukarira, one of my fast Korean course students. I will briefly introduce Yukarira. She's Japanese and she's in her 60s. To summarize her achievements, Yukarira proudly passed TOPIK level 6 in just 4 months. When we first met on December 22nd, she took a TOPIK mock test. At that time, her scores were listening 74, reading 72 for a total of 146 points. However, on the actual TOPIK test on April 13, she scored listening 92, writing 77, reading 78 for a total of 247 points, successfully achieving TOPIK level 6. Congratulations! In short, her listening score jumped 18 points from 74 to 92. Her reading score went up 6 points from 72 to 78. As for writing, she started with no prior experience and scored 77 on a test whose average is 37. Now let's hear in detail how Yukarira achieved these results. 유카리라님, 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
네, 그러면 간단한 자기소개를 한국어로 부탁드립니다.
예. 안녕하세요. 저는 유카리라라고 하고요. 일본 사이타마현에 살고 있는 60대 주부예요. 예전에는 영상 번역가로서 영어 TV 프로그램을 일본어로 옮기는 일을 했었어요. 그 일을 그만둔 후에 시간이 생겨서 한국 드라마를 보다가 완전히 빠졌어요. 그래서 한국어 공부를 시작했고요. 이번에 도미 선생님 덕분에 토픽 6급에 합격할 수 있어서 감사할 따름이에요. 선생님 정말 감사합니다.
네, 감사합니다. 네, 유카리라님은 전에 인터뷰를 일본어판으로 같이 했었는데요. 그때 좋아하는 드라마가 구름이 그린 달빛이었나요?
네네, 맞습니다.
네네네. 진영 씨를 좋아하는 거죠?
네, 맞습니다.
네, 최근에 착한 여자 부세미도 보고 계세요?
아, 네, 보고 있습니다.
저도 항상 준영 씨를 응원하는 마음으로
네네.
네, 그리고 유카리라 님도 생각하면서
보고 계세요?
네, 정말
감사합니다.
그 드라마 너무 재밌어가지고
네, 많이요.
네, 월요일이랑 화요일이 되는 거를 손꼽아 기다리고 있어요.
오, 그렇구나. 예.
네네네. 네, 이번에는 그러면 와주셨는데 그럼 지금부터는 영어로 물어볼게요. You already told in the interview, but what made you decide to learn Korean?
I became a fan of an actor named Jin Young, like you mentioned, and the drama, The Love in the Moonlight, I think in English, was a drama that a friend recommended for me. And then I started learning Korean because I wanted to understand Jin Young's YouTube or other clips that had no subtitles.
Ah, okay. So for the love of Jinyoung, you decided to learn Korean.
Yes.
Before taking my fast Korean course, what was your Korean level?
Originally, I started learning Korean about 7 years ago, and for the first year, I studied on my own using a radio course. After that, I continued taking weekly private lessons with a Japanese teacher, and while also joining online Korean study group lessons. I enjoyed learning Korean that way. As for my past struggles, I regularly took exams such as Hangul proficiency test and TOPIK, but I always got stuck at level 5, and I thought that the wall to the level 6 was very high. I often watched the videos of senior students from Tammy's fast Korean course in Japan, and I thought it was amazing that how they all achieved results in such a short time. Also, during my early self-study days, I memorized pronunciation using katakana, Japanese letters, which caused me difficulties later on. Especially struggled with tense consonants and final consonants like ium, pachim.
Oh, okay. So you said you stuck in level 5, but how long do you were stuck in that same level?
Maybe 1 year or so.
1 year. And you
1
really
year.
wanted to reach level 6.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Why did you want to reach level 6? Because level 5 is already good enough.
Yes, but maybe everybody who study Korean makes it a goal to achieve topic 6 level. And I wanted to become a Japanese government licensed interpreter guide in Korean. And for that test, if you have topic 6 level, Korean language test will be exempted. So that's why I wanted to get the level 6 of topic.
Oh, okay. So because of your career, you wanted to pass level 6.
Yes, that's right.
Why did you decide to take my course?
Actually, at first, I thought that the coaching system might not suit me. The reason why is that I enjoy trying different methods of studying on my own. So I thought that if I kept studying with my own methods, I would eventually be able to pass topic level 6. But whenever I watched the videos of fast Korean graduates, I saw that they were all achieving results in such a short period of time. So I wanted to know the secret. And that's why I decided to take the Fast Korean course. And I had been watching Tammy's videos ever since the beginner grammar lectures. So I trusted that if I would with you, Tammy 선생님, I could really rely on this program. So that's why I applied.
Okay, the word secret was really funny to hear. Yes, that's right. You really wanted to know the secret, right? After enrolling, how many months did it take to see results, and what kind of results did you achieve?
I'm not sure what months it took, but around that time I mastered intermediate level vocabulary. I felt that I could start reading Korean short stories without having to look up in dictionary so often. During the final intensive study period before the topic exam, there were times when I felt discouraged and thought, I might not finish everything. But in the Fast Korean course, the tasks I needed to complete were always clearly laid out in front of me, so I was able to focus on simply getting through them and push myself all the way to the end.
Okay, so when you felt I might not finish everything, that time, like, how did you overcome that kind of feeling? Because that's a lot of things to study, right? And then you've actually studied a lot during this period.
Yes, well, maybe once a week or so. But I have to report how and what kind of study I will do or I did to you. So I thought I could make it. And I know that everybody on this course struggling very hard. So that made me go forward. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So since you report me every day, even though you feel like, oh, I cannot do it, but somehow you have to report anyway, you know? Yeah, so you are able to overcome it.
Yes.
What made the difference in your progress, and what aspects of my coaching service did you find most helpful?
What left the deepest impression on me was definitely the topic preparation. In particular, for writing question number 54, you thoroughly checked my work starting from the Japanese draft stage to see whether the logical development was solid. I was honestly surprised at how detailed and careful the feedback was. I had taken topic writing courses at other schools before, but they mostly focused on corrections. I had never received such consistent and comprehensive guidance before, so I truly felt that was worthwhile to become a fast Korean student. For reading and listening as well, Tommy's explanations of her own solving process in the videos were extremely clear. It was also very helpful that I could take past topic exams online as many times as I wanted, get them graded immediately, and view the explanations right away. I was taught that I couldn't move on until I reached the passing score, so that I had to solve 7 past exams in total. But thinking about how other fast Korean students were also working hard gave me the motivation to push through. Outside the topic preparation, I also found vocabulary study with Wordholic to be extremely effective. Personally, I've always believed that the best way to learn vocabulary was to use flashcard-like tools that allow quick responses and repeated practice. But for Korean, I found it troublesome to make those materials on my own.
So there are many online courses, but then most of the things are around the beginner level, right? So
Right.
if you go to intermediate or advanced level, there are not many apps.
You're right. But in Fast Korean course, however, you not only created example pronunciation videos for intermediate and advanced vocabulary, but also prepared a Wordholic course. I was really impressed by that. Thanks to this, I was able to study vocabulary very effectively.
Wow, so because of the Wordholic cards, that's really fasten your memorization.
Yeah.
Okay, that's really nice to hear. And also, you've finished lots of topic exams during this 4 month, but then you were able to do it because other students in fast Korean also studying so hard.
Yeah.
So looking those students, you got the motivation from them too, right?
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah.
Was there any specific advice from me that resonated with you?
During the Fast Korean period, I had a week-long trip planned, and you told me that it was perfectly okay to just focus on enjoying the trip during that time.
So it was in Korea?
No, it was in Europe.
It was in Europe, totally different place. But I said
Right.
it's totally okay. Yes.
Yes.
I remember.
And also, when I couldn't always follow the study schedules as planned, you reassured me by saying, as adults, sudden changes in schedules are inevitable. That really made me happy. At the same time, you also encouraged me with strong message such as people who become good at languages are not those with talent, but those who don't quit. And success doesn't come to those who make an effort. Rather, you must keep making an effort until success comes. So those words were very motivating for me.
Yes, listening to those like successful people's quotes really help you, right?
Yeah.
If you hadn't taken the Fast Korean coaching course, what do you think you'd be doing now?
Well, I think I would still have been continuing my studies while enjoying my own process. But when it came to the topic preparation and vocabulary learning, I probably would have been moving forward with some uncertainty and hesitation.
Yes, that's right. Can you tell me your future plans for learning Korean and your ultimate goal?
As I said before, by obtaining topic level 6, I am exempt from the Korean language section of the National Government Licensed Guide Interpreter exam in Japan. Therefore, my goal is to acquire the National Government Licensed Guide Interpreter qualification in Korean.
Oh, okay. So you want to guide Korean people in Japan
Yes, that's right.
in the future. Okay. At the end, can you give a message to the viewers?
Okay. Once you can speak Korean, you can enjoy videos without subtitles, laugh along at fan meetings before the interpreters translate, and talk with locals while traveling in Korea, making the experience much more fun. I started learning Korean from zero in my 50s, and I've been able to come this far, so I feel that age doesn't really matter. As Tammy says, learning effective study methods through short-time intensive excessive practice is extremely effective. I hope to master Korean quickly and enjoy Korean content together with everyone.
Yes, thank you so much. So in the future, if somebody comes to Japan, they might see you, right?
Yeah,
Might
right.
see you guide
Mhm.
to Japan.
Yes,
Yeah.
I hope so.
Yes, I might introduce some of my fast Korean students.
Oh, yes, thank
Yes.
you.
Okay, thank you so much. Finally, I have a quick announcement. The Korean coaching course that Yukarira joined is offered through my official Line account. This time, I prepared a super special gift for those who register my newsletter subscription.
And it's completely free! I know you love this!
First, you'll get a complete slide set covering beginner Korean lessons 1 through 50. The total number of pages is 1840. Now you can watch my videos and review them through my textbook. Secondly, you receive a set of elementary level printable worksheets covering units 9 to 27, designed to help you thoroughly review and master the material. This set includes 108 pages. In addition, I'll provide another collection of elementary level worksheets for units 28 to 50, totaling 158 pages. Last but not least, you'll get a complete slide set covering intermediate Korean lessons 1 through 66. If you are interested, please be sure to sign up through the link in the description box below this video. So for today's Korean Coaching Achievement Report, I had Yukarira join me. Thank you very much for being here today.
Thank you. I've enjoyed talking with you.
Yes, so let's meet again in the next video. 한국어 파이팅!
Fighting, fighting.
파이팅!